The summer is baking the valley, a tinderbox waiting to blow. The thermometer's pushing 100, the rivers are sluggish and low. The air has a palpable tension, a shimmering, blistering haze, just begging a careless ignition to set the horizon ablaze. The wind is a whisper of danger, drying the grass to a crunch, and we're sitting tight at the station, a vigilant, tight-knitted bunch. Then the Kenwood shatters the quiet, the station erupts in a sprint. We're throwing on our woodland gear, catching that ominous hint of ash on the canyon horizon, a menacing column of gray. The diesel roars into a frenzy as the siren clears out the way. We're riding the curves of the mountain, adrenaline spiking the blood, tires biting hard on the asphalt, praying we nip in the bud. The beast that is waking up hungry, smelling the smoke in the cab, grasping the rails of the engine, ready to take a first jab. Bail from the rig with gusto, deploying the hoses and Indian packs. The wildfire is roaring and spitting a monster on offensive tracks. We're cutting a line through the bramble, denying the demon its fuel, in a blinding hot furnace of chaos where nature is angry and cruel. The water pressure is screaming, a desperate and soaking counterattack. We're choking on grit and on cinders, determined to beat the flames back. Sweat stings our eyes like a needle, the radiant heat is a wall, but we hold down the line in the dirt, refusing to let the brake fall. Subsides to a whisper, but nobody's taking a seat. We're out in the smoldering ruins, dragging our ash-heavy feet. It's time for the tedious labor, the unglamorous mop of routine. We're digging for roots that are burning, keeping the black from the green. A spray from the nozzle, a stir of the soil, feeling the earth with a hand, hunting for deep hidden hot spots buried beneath the burnt land. It's mud on the boots, soot in the lungs, turning the coals to a noose, making damn sure that the beast is dead and has nothing to lose. The shadows grow long in the canyon, the radio crackles all clear. We're rolling the links of the canvas, stewing the soot-covered gear. We climb in the cab bone exhausted, wiping the grime from our face, leaving a damp, quiet graveyard in what was a dangerous place. The headlights cut through the darkness, the engine hums a low drone. We beat back the Dragon Today crew, and now we are taking it